Hi Adi.
Now, in this present time, there the dengue type of
Disease goes-
one disease. We will say that one disease is so many increasing.
Yes.
So you may tell something about the dengue.
Yes, so you people also know that dengue is very increasing nowadays in our India,
Okay.
and it is mainly in Maharashtra side and our MP side,
Okay.
and it is mostly in many districts of MP. So dengue is because of the inadequate quantity of water supply and the people do not dumping the solid wastes in the proper dumping way. So because of this dengue mosquitoes are born and they bite the people, and this is the very injurious disease. So if to take away from this disease, we have to always cover our body fully, and always cover our body, and do not dirty our places where our surrounding where are we living.
Okay, so now tell me what should we, how to reduce in this kind of disease?
Yes sir, by making our surroundings clean, sir.
Okay.
So because we all know that dengue, that mosquito born from that dirty places.
Okay, and Adi, let me know, and what do you thinking about dengue? How should we, which kind of message we will send our society at present?
Okay, sir. First of all, this dengue is increasing by the child also, sir, because this dengue is get above the 3 feet, and sir, this dengue is not rising above the 3 feet, sir. It is mostly dangerous for the children also. Oh, and sir, our big men's and the women's legs also, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me know how did you feel here at my classes both?
Yes sir, we feel very.
Are you now you are able to speak English well?
Yes, sir.
Now finally you have become very good speaker
Yes, sir.
English at Sri Balaji
Because
Speaker.
whatever anybody asks to us, we will give them.
Yes,
Okay, you can break all record in spoken
Yes, sir.
English.
Yes, sir.
And I wanted to give the society message that do not delay to join these classes, because English is the most important language nowadays.
And what do you think about
And sir,
the,
my thinking that some person has do the charming about these classes also, sir.
Okay.
And so I will give this message to everyone that don't make this charming about these classes.
There is
Because-
not only charming studies, it is a very good studies here.
okay, actual learning?
Actual
Yes,
learning,
sir.
sir.
Okay, and so both are you able?
Yes, sir, we are able to.
And in English speaking you can beat anyone?
Yes, sir, in English.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, we are sure.
Okay, we will see one day. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
thank you, beta.
Thank you, sir.
And congratulations both of you.